What we are about to learn in this video is how to use the switch statement. Switch statement is another conditional statement just like with if statement. However, it takes a different form. To show you how to use the switch statement, let's create a new project. Let's name this project switch. To give you an example on how to use switch statement, let's take this situation. Let's say we have a day, and then we will identify what kind of day is it. Is it Monday, Tuesday, or a different day? To solve that particular problem, we need to have a variable for our day that will serve as an input for our day. And then after that, we will examine that day if what kind of day is it. Okay, so to begin, let's create a variable named day, and then let's assign it 0. And then we'll write here console, that right line, and then we will tell the user to enter the day that he wants. And we will write here console read line so that we'll be able to get the input from the user. Okay, there you go. So what we have here now is the declaration of our day variable, followed by displaying of text informing our user to enter a day between 1 and 7, and then accepting that input and placing that inside of our day variable. But this time, what we're going to do is to change console write line into console write so that it will not create a new line. Okay, so let's give this a try by using the console read line before we proceed to our switch statement. Let's run the application, and then let's try entering any numbers. So as you can see here, enter a day, and then next to it is our input. Okay, so it did not create a new line. So that is the difference between console.write and console.write line. So let's enter. There you go. So for now, there is no output showing to us because we haven't yet finished the program. So let's continue on writing our codes. So this time let's use the switch statement. I'm going to use switch statement and state here that so case day is 1, if in case that day contains 1, then what we will do here is to create a console write line, then say here that it is Monday, and then we will write here break. So later I will discuss to you what is the meaning of break. And then another case, now if the user gives an input of 2, we will write here, let's just copy and paste this on this portion, and then we'll change this to Tuesday. If in case that our user give an input of 3, and then we will type here Wednesday. I hope that you can now see the pattern on how to use the switch statement. So let's continue this until we reach Sunday. Okay. So now we're through. We have already created our switch statement here. So it says here that if the input is 1 for our day, then it will give us Monday. But if it is 2, it will give us Tuesday, and 3 Wednesday, 4 Thursday, up to 7 Sunday. Okay, so there you go. So now let's test our application. Let's try giving it a value of 3. So it gives us Wednesday. So let's try giving it a value of 7, then it will give us Sunday. Let's give it a value of 9, then it will give us nothing because 9 is not part of our case. However, we can also include that by stating here default, and then from here we will write here unidentified day, and then we write break. Okay, so let's give it a try again. Let's try 9. So it will give us unidentified day. There you go. That will complete our project. So that's all for now, and see you in the next lectures.